Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake at home without blender, only ways. Begin by chilling milk, ice cream, and flavorings, then layer ingredients into a sturdy jar with a tight lid. Shake vigorously for about 3 to 5 minutes until thick and frothy. Tap and swirl the jar to help mix stubborn chunks, then strain if desired and pour into a chilled glass to enjoy. In this video, I will show how to make milkshake at home without blender, only ways. Gather your wide-mouthed jar, spoon, and chilled glass, then pre-measure milk and ice cream for consistent results. Soften chewy mix-ins by leaving them at room temperature briefly or cutting them small. Add ingredients to the jar in this order: milk, sweeteners, flavorings, then ice cream on top to aid blending as you In this video, I will show how to make milkshake at home without blender, only ways. Master the shake by using short bursts of forceful movement, then roll your wrists to create froth and air. Stop every minute to press larger bits against the jar wall with a spoon, then resume shaking until uniform. Tailor consistency by adding a splash of cold milk for thinner or an extra scoop of ice cream for thicker results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.